Looks like we broke our shock. Does this happen to anyone else? Well, let's fix it. Alright, so today we got our kit. It's an OMT. It's a tailgate assist. And it cost 20 bucks off Amazon. So we'll go ahead and get this open and then installed and see if it actually works. Alright, so you have your gas cylinder. You have, I'm gonna have to look. That might be Loctite. Might be oil too. I don't know. It moves pretty slow. It might be, I don't know. We'll find out. So in this we have our bottom bracket. I'll show you where everything goes. We have our, this is your top bolt, along with your top bracket. An Allen wrench, which is nice of them. And then a new bolt. So let's find out what that red shit is. Thread locker. I'm probably going to use the blue thread locker. The red is good for if you never want it to come apart again, which if this fails, you may have to rip it apart again. So I'd go ahead and use the blue, but we will go ahead and get this installed. Shouldn't take long. So the first thing we're gonna do is unhook the cable from the tailgate. Real simple to do, pops right off. And you have the other one holding it on the opposite side. So now we're gonna go ahead and get this bracket off here. This is a 1/2 inch. On this truck, it's a 2012 Silverado. There's the old bracket. There's where it busted off at. So we're just gonna go ahead and get the new one on there. Just real simple, put it in. I'm gonna put blue Loctite on this and then we'll screw it back in. Since we already had one on here, we can just line it up with the, you can tell where it's been sitting. And that's it for the top one. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove the side one. So we're gonna go ahead and just remove the bracket on this side. It's a 4mm Allen head. So we'll grab our new plate and then our new bolt. We'll go ahead and get blue Loctite on this one. And then snug it up. I wouldn't go too crazy on this. So that's it for the brackets. So we're gonna take our gas shock here. Now you want the fatter part, this cylinder, towards the top. So if you take a screwdriver, a small flat blade, and stick it in where this clip is, it will open it up completely. Don't remove this clip, but just stick it in there enough to open it completely. And then just pull the screwdriver out and it's locked on there, and we'll do the same thing to the top. And then you have to force it up a little bit. And then we'll just pull this screwdriver out, and then your retaining clips back in. So we'll go ahead and reinstall this. All right, so that took a total of about 10 minutes or less. So everything's all hooked, so we'll close the tailgate and then reopen it and see if it actually works the way it should. So that seems to work all right. Not as good as stock. It never does work as good as stock, but for 20 bucks to get it to work again, I don't think that's too bad. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.